I am making breakfast. I am making breakfast. I am walking to work. I am walking to work. I am waiting for the bus. I am waiting for the bus. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. I am driving to work. I am driving to work. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am shopping at the store. I am shopping at the store. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am taking a shower. I am taking a shower. I am cleaning the table. I am cleaning the table. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking dinner. I am drinking coffee. I am drinking coffee. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am writing a message. I am writing a message. I am working right now. I am working right now. I am sitting on the couch. I am sitting on the couch. I am walking to work. I am walking to work. I am driving home. I am driving home. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. I am talking on the phone. I am talking on the phone. I am resting at home. I am resting at home. I am lying on the bed. I am lying on the bed.
Learn English with fun. Learn English with fun.